What's up guys? So, dito na naman tayo sa bagong Mobile Legends tutorial. Dito ipabakita ko sa inyo yung mga bagong cable tricks na pwede nyo gamitin. Simulan na natin.
Shoutout po kay Pelot. Fanny user din daw siya. Ano bigyan pa? Same tayo.
Yun! So sa mga hindi nakakilala dun sa lalaki kanina, siya lang naman si Chin Valdez at siya ay isang Facebook streamer na Fanny user din. So madalas na ginagamit niya sa mga 4 cable combo. So sa video ito ipapakita natin yung mga basic na 4 cable combo na pwede nyong gamitin sa laro ninyo. Panoorin nyo lang tong video at mamaya i-announce na natin kung sino ang mananalo ng libreng skin giveaway natin. So kung excited ka na sa tutorial na ito, simulan na natin.
Effects. Yeah. I never take doubt as a lesson. I never second guess it. Take negativity and reject it. I got my mind blind to rejection, so I'll be just fine. Don't be wasting any time with discretion. I run this campaign like I'm running an election. I pop this champagne like we're not in a recession. I feel no damn pain. Ibuprofen is a blessing. Feel it pumping through my veins. Got me feeling like I'm flexing, yeah. I'm in motion, I'm obsessive like the ocean, I'm relentless. No promotion, still progressing, overdosing on these lessons. And these words my only weapon, cut you deep, oh yeah, I threaten. Feel the heat and all the tension, need relief from this whole session. But I keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it, every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed, on this grind you're always stressed. So I work harder than the rest, that always said to do my best.
I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. So watch me. So watch me. Man, this beat got me aggressive, got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this train direction, cause it runs without an engine. Oh, when did I fail to mention that I need all your attention? Cause we're failing in retention, listen up or just forget it. I ain't here to spit perfection, I embrace my imperfections. I just want all that's neglected to hear something they connect with. So I use my only method, all these words that I've invested. I don't hope that they're impressive, I just hope that they're effective. Yeah, I swear to God, if you want it, then you got to get it. Cause when I'm on my deathbed, no, I will not regret it. You only got one life, one shot, don't let it slip away. Today, get up and make a big change, huh? You decide your own future, a winner or a loser, a headline or a rumor, on the bench or a shooter, superstar or recruiter, defensive prosecutor, just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? If you have a dream, go capture it, go activate, get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. And I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate, just looking for an advocate to hire me to pack your shit. You want it, take a stab at it, you need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter, shit, just block them out and capture it. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show, not tell. So watch me. So watch me. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else. And I do not need your help, I was told to show,
easy. Too many things to do weekly. Too many thoughts to think deeply. Too many thoughts to be sleeping. Yeah, oh my god, I'm not eating. I feel so empty, I'm receding. And all of my friends are misleading. All of these posts and the lives they're leading. Yeah, oh, no way, I ain't gon' stand for this today. I'ma keep my head down, I'm okay. I don't wanna listen to a word they say. And we all know fear is a slogan, yeah. And we all feel broken, yeah. And we all outspoken. Need someone who could just go. Sometimes I struggle in this place. Been in circles several days, never knowing the right way.
Yun. Alam ko ito na yung pinakahihintay mong moment kung sinong mananalo ng ating free skin giveaway. So ito na. Ang mga names na nakikita nyo sa listahan ito ay ang mga sumunod sa rules ng ating giveaway. So, kung nandito ang pangalan mo, congrats sa'yo in advance. At ito na, malapit na nating bunutin ang mananalo ng free skin giveaway. Pag ikaw ang nabunot, congrats.
Daniel Dilla.
Yon, ikaw na nga nanalo, Daniel Dula. So, i-message kita doon sa comment mo sa Facebook video ko, and then pag-usapan natin kung paano ko i-send yung free skin na giveaway. Then, sa susunod naman na video, saka natin i-release yung makukuha mong skin, at para malaman din ng iba na legit nga yung papremyo natin. Sa mga gustong sumali sa susunod na skin giveaway, sundin nyo lang tong rules na nasa screen. Yan, napakadali lang sundin yung mga rules na yan. Ewan ko na lang kung hindi nyo pa masunod. So, pag na-hit natin yung target, mamimigay ulit tayo ng skin sa lucky winner. Alright, simulan natin ang ating gameplay montage.